This is the Techno Camon 20, and I'm going to show you how you can just reset your device. And this may work for most of Android devices. Okay, and before you can reset or factory reset your phone, know that you're going to lose everything that you have on your device. So everything that you have will be lost. And mostly we do this because maybe you have a phone, you want to hand it over to your sister or whoever. You just need to move all your files from it and then you delete and reset it so that everything will be new for the person to just use. So to reset your phone, I'm going to show you two ways. We have one that you are going to use the settings, and the other one you are going to use the phone button. So just stay tuned. I'll show you first with the settings that will demand your password, and then the other one with the buttons will not demand any password. So if in case you have forgotten your password and you want to just reset your phone to get your phone back, although you will lose everything, then yeah, that one will really show you all the steps. Okay, so just stay tuned. Let's start with the first one. But if you're new, you have to subscribe because more videos will become right here on this platform. And hey, just like, let's start with it. Let's go. Okay, so just go to your phone settings. When you go to your phone settings, just scroll down and go to system. Just tap on it and then look for reset phone. This one, and just tap on it. When you come to this side, as I've already told you, everything on your phone will erase. Okay, so let's say if this is your old phone and then you've bought a new phone, and let's say you want to forward everything that you have, all your files on this device to another one, just in the comment section or the description of the video, there is a link that will show you the step-by-step guide on how you can just forward everything on your old phone to your new phone. So yeah, just check this out after maybe this video. Okay, so then go to erase all data, and then know that all accounts on this device will also be exited as well. So make sure you just back up your files, everything. Okay, and then just tap on erase all data, and then you have to enter your phone password. So let me just enter mine and then we'll continue with it. But before that, make sure you subscribe and like the video for more. And then you just tap on this, you go to the next page, and if your phone is linked to an account, you have to enter the account password as well before you can just log out from this device. Although you know your phone password, but since it is your phone, this is not a difficult thing. Just enter the account password right here, and then let me just continue with it from here. So this is my Techno account, and then let me just tap on next, and then erase all data permanently. All your personal information, including downloaded apps and everything, will be deleted, and you cannot undo this action. So you just tap on erase all data. Okay, and then everything on this device will be erased. Let me just tap on erase all data, and you can see signing out. So here we are with it. The phone will reset very soon. Just stay tuned. I'm just going to show you with the buttons as well. So I will just skip to where you will reset the phone with the buttons, and then the other parts whereby after restarting your phone, okay, you will then continue with it. I will just cut and continue with it with after the buttons. Okay, so after erasing, and the other video that will just show you how to set up one or two things after resetting your phone, that will just continue from there. So just subscribe and like the video for more videos as well. So first, make sure your phone device is off. So let me just turn it off right here. Make sure it is off. Okay, off. Okay, make sure the phone is off, completely turned off. Okay, now this is what you're going to do. You can see we have some side buttons right here. As I said, this is what you're going to do or use to just reset our phone. So we have the power key right here, we have the volume down, volume up right here. So you're going to tap on this, the power key plus the volume plus key. Okay, so we hold it like this for 3 seconds, and then we will take our hand off the power key. So it will be something like this: 1, 2, 3. Then I will take this hand off, and then this one is still on the volume up key. You get it? So there's something like this: 1, 2, 3. I'll just take this off, and then this will be still on. until we see a prompt, and then we will take our hand off. And after the prompt, we are just going to tap on the power key for 3 seconds, like 2 3 seconds, and then we just tap on the volume plus key just once. Okay, so let's give it a try right here. But if you want to subscribe because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. So let's go. One, two, three. One, two, three. Until we see a prompt, then we take our hand off. Okay, so this is the prompt that I'm talking about. Now you're going to tap on the power key for 3 seconds, and then we tap on the volume key just once. So let's go with it. One, two, three. Yes, we are through with it. So this is where you're going to recover or delete everything on your phone. Because of the screen protector, you're not seeing everything right here. But we have the reboot. There is R right here. Okay, you can see there is R right there. We have the reboot. We have reboot, bootloader. We have enter fast boot, apply update from SD card, wipe data, factory reset, and other ones. Okay, so you are going to use this to just control up and down. You can see it. Okay, you can see right there. So we will go to wipe data slash factory reset. Okay, and then we are going to use the power button. Okay, the power key to select. So let's select it from here by just one tap. Okay, now if in case it was a mistake, then you can just cancel it. Okay, and then you can just come back again if in case you truly want to do this. But know that everything on your phone will be wiped out. Okay, then go to factory data reset, and then just tap on the power key to select. Now this action cannot be undone. Okay, and then you will see wiping data, formatting metadata, writing zero success, wipe the data wipe. Okay, there is a D as I said. Because of the protector, you are not seeing some words. Okay, letters. Okay, so this data wipe complete, and it is done. So what I'm going to do is to then reboot system now. Okay, by just using this right here, or you can just scroll down to power off, and then the phone will just shut down, and then you will turn it on yourself. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now let's turn it on, and then let me show you how you will set the phone up after resetting the phone. But as I said, you have to subscribe because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. There is more videos coming up. So if you don't subscribe right now, later you will come back and subscribe. Trust me. So let's wait, and then let's see how it will go with the booting, and then also with the setup. Okay, so now the device is done with resetting. Okay, so you have to select your language right here. You tap on next. You come to this side, you select your country right here, and then you go to next again, and then you just insert your SIM card. If you don't have, you can just tap on skip, and then later you can just proceed with that settings. Okay, tap on skip, and then we have connect to Wi-Fi. You can just connect to a Wi-Fi, but you can also tap on skip. Okay, then with this you are to agree to their terms of service. So you tap on I have read and agree to the above terms. You make sure it is marked blue. Okay, then you just tap on next right here. Okay, so it will load, and then you just tap on more right here. Make sure you go through all these before you accept this. Okay, you also tap on accept right there, and then we have set screen lock. So it depends on you whether you want it fingerprint, face unlock, or password. Any one of your choice, you can just set it up, or you just tap on skip right here. Okay, skip. Now we have this right here. You can also tap on skip for now. And now we have the system navigation. Depends on how you use your phone. Okay, so I always like the gestures one, so I will select. You need to select one before you can just proceed with it. So let me just go to this, then I will tap on next. Okay, and now the device is almost set up. I will just need to just tap on this, and the device is ready for use. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video. I'll have more videos right here on this platform. Stay alive and Bye for now.